How to draw a baby shark. To begin, we're going to start off by making one circle directly above the center of the page. Next up, we're going to begin to make a total of 3 fins, one on the top, left, and right hand side of the circle that we just made. Great job! Now we're going to begin to make the body, as well as the tail, underneath the head of our baby shark. Directly below the head, we're going to make 2 lines. This will help us separate the colors. Now for a third line, we're going to make 1 line going from left to right inside the head of our baby shark. Below that line that we just made, we're going to begin to make a big mouth along with teeth and a tongue. Now last but not least, we're going to make the eyes of our baby shark. To make the pupils, I'm going to swap out my Sharpie with a very fine tip marker. If we ever go too fast, feel free to pause the video. This is how to draw a baby shark. Thank you for watching on How to Draw Hub. If you liked the video today, then go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Also, if you're not yet subscribed to the YouTube channel just yet, then go hit that button right now. Awesome. Let's go ahead and color in our drawing together.